Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to show you how to put a wing extension on your Focus RS. Now this isn't too hard of a job. We just had a few people ask us how to do it, so we're just kind of giving you a little insight, a little walkthrough just so you can see what you're doing. The first thing that you're going to need to do is pop your trunk and start getting your panel off right back here. You just need to take a pry bar. They make interior trim tools. Just use that. Just kind of keep pulling on it. Be very, very careful. Do not snap anything that you have. After you get the panel taken off, you'll see that there's a few bolts right behind it. That's actually securing your spoiler onto your hatch. So there's like 3 of them, I believe. Just go ahead and screw them, pull them off. You're going to need some buddies to help you, because you need to lift off the spoiler, and there's a couple clips for your light. Next, you're gonna lay down your spoiler onto something. Don't scratch it. Put on a table, cardboard, something like that. And most of the good extension kits will come with a template. So you just throw your template on there, tape it down, and you're gonna mark off your holes. Now you're gonna need 2 special drill bits for this. There's a 6mm and a 9mm. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the 6mm and drill some pilot holes. Don't go too deep, or you're going to go through the other side of the spoiler, which would really suck. Then after you get all of them drilled, get out a 9mm and do the same thing with that. We were just kind of testing with the nut certs to make sure everything was going to go in properly. Now after you get your nut certs inserted in there, you can go ahead and grab your brackets and get those put on. It's real easy to do. It just comes with a supplied Allen wrench. Put them in, just give them a good tightness. You don't really need to torque them down to a certain amount. Then after you get all the brackets on, you can go ahead and throw the actual lip extension onto your spoiler. Go ahead, flip it over, check it out, make sure it all looks pretty good, and then you're ready to attach it back to your car. Now here's where you will need a few friends again. Go ahead and place it on top of it. Check all of your distances, make sure it's lining up pretty well. You got to feed your third brake light to the spoiler again, and then those bolts that you took off before, go ahead and put those right back on. Get it on, tighten it down, and then go ahead and pop the paneling back on. And as you can see right there, it looks really good. Yep, this is Mark's Focus RS. Got his nice little custom lip extension on it now. Looks a lot better with it. We really like it. I think he's getting the matching ground effects kit for it. But it's a pretty good setup, and we'll see you guys next time.